Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into seed data and why it's crucial for your projects. Let's explore with a real-world example, an e-commerce application. Imagine you're building an e-commerce app. Every time you set it up, you have to manually add categories, products, and users. This slows down development and testing. Seed data solves this problem. It's preloaded data that initializes your database with essential values, saving time and ensuring consistency. For example, our app needs categories like electronics, products like smartphones, and users like admin. Seed data preloads these into the database. Here's how you can write a script to populate your database with seed data. This ensures your app has everything it needs to start. Seed data benefits everyone. Developers don't waste time creating data. Testers can run their tests with preloaded data. Stakeholders see meaningful data during demos. For example, testing the search feature becomes easier with seed data. Products like smartphone are already loaded, so you can test right away. Now you know why seed data matters and how to use it. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and tech explanations. See you next time.